I need y'all to pay attention because this is where I got the gems. These are some jewels, right? If you know me well enough, it's gonna all make sense. If you don't, you're gonna question everything, okay? But trust me what I'm about to do. Now, remember these two things. One, Wing Chun is inherently Buddhist, right? Now, why would I even, y'all have heard me mention that a couple of times, right? But why do I keep saying it? It's because sometimes you just gotta know your history and how it dictates the way your system fights. Like today, most of us are learning based upon the MMA idea. Not boxing, not kickboxing. We ain't worried about no kickboxers, but it's MMA that's running the show, right? So it's like, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Trust me, when boxing's on top again, and it's coming, because you got some new fresh faces in boxing, guess what? What do we do? What do we do? It's a constant evolution. The faces change, but the questions stay the same, right? So, hold on. I'm gonna let them walk across. But yeah, so I need y'all to really pay attention on this. This is like fire, right? So if I'm gonna have this on because I'm gonna let the camera see. Okay, so here's tip number one. Using Quan. This is regular Quan. This is gonna be lower Dai Quan. I like to say Dai Quan sometimes because it's like, oh, it's lower, right? Instead of just saying Dai Long sound. So if he has his punch out, right? I'm not trying to bump him in there. I need y'all to see something, right? This bone. What do you notice about this bone? First, you don't smoke with it, right? I love Cypress Hill. Anyway, but it's an elbow here. Elbow. And we're doing what form? Chum Q. So, what's the only elbows that we got in Chum Q? Right? Hi, John. So if I'm covering, I can break elbow. Let me show you from the other side. Oh, come on through. Yeah, come on. Yeah. I got this point, right? But this is a concept. I can grab, use that elbow from bone, break. The arm is done. Now, if I break this, even if he was to punch with the other hand, break, I send him home like this. That's why I keep saying Wing Chun is inherently Buddhist. Because if I'm not trying to harm him and I keep him alive, I'm gonna take his arms. What if this arm had a gun? What if it had a knife? I'm gonna break the arms. If I'm close enough, look, if I'm way far away from here, I'm not gonna try that, right? If it's from right here, break, he can't close the fingers. So, if he has this right, it's the whole point. Let's say I do something wrong like a taunt as he's coming, right? So he's coming through, I have to bomb, right? This is the start of the spiral process. Now, I want him to feel like or your Chinese name. Wolves, even though by itself, runs like a pack. You can burrow into me. Now, when he goes for it, there it goes. Keep going. Thank you. I'm just redirecting. But it starts really learning from hip, learning from shift, right? Now, we already know that earlier, that bong style, the second that hand can break the elbow, right? If I just wanted to clip them as the idea of that spiral energy, I can do that. Keep going. It didn't matter. I can spiral.
I just want to add one piece there. That forearm, that was a good cut. I felt that.
Right. Now, mind you, I ain't gonna lie, that kind of messed up a little bit on me. I ain't gonna lie, this man's strong. I like that. I dare him that when he learns more Wing Chun, I don't think I want to fight against this guy. Tim is the same way. He's just like, oh, dang, Tim, you get that. He's getting that fist in there. They two new level generation type guys, and I love it. You know I love it. I'm excited. I do this a lot. Anyway, so the whole point is turning. But guess what? I want you to see something. That's not even the whole point of it. This is. Pay attention. And really keep the camera like, can you see my feet in that?
Yeah.
Okay. Pay attention to my feet. This is where it's going to get really interesting. Now, if he don't go so hard, but because I'm showing practice. Okay, go for it. Anybody seeing something?
Hey.
Mother core.
No. No.
Chi-ma shifting.
But I'm Chi-ma shifting with how many feet? Watch.
1.
Now, when I Chi-ma shift with that foot, what am I in?
Go stance.
To then what? Shift out again. Oh man, that's funny. So, the last part on that first sheet is reverse feeding. Reversing the feeding. Now, we kind of got into that, but I need to show y'all this. And then I'm going to have y'all practice it. And this is why I'm saying be careful. We don't want anybody falling down, right? Feeling all pushed all over the place. We got to control this part. Come on through. Don't worry about it.